My dear friends, in this lecture we are going to learn about uploading file and its certain restrictions. So in the previous lecture I have simply showed you that how can you upload a file into the server is using the PHP server-side scripting language. So in this particular lecture, first we are going to upload a simple file to the server as we have done in the last class. After that we will check if the file exists before uploading, right? So same file will not be allowed to upload in the server, right? So that will be checked. So we are going to put some restriction, and again we are also going to learn that how to upload a file of a specific format. Let's say it is only allowed to upload PDF file, or it is only allowed to upload the JPG file. So you must have seen in many registration form there are certain criteria before you upload the file. So you may be only allowed to upload a PHP file, or you may be only allowed to upload the JPG file. So there are certain restrictions how you can imply those restrictions using the PHP while the user is going to upload any file. Okay, so after that we are also going to learn how you can limit the file size before uploading into the server. So it is also found in many applications, any form, that there are certain restrictions that has been imposed before uploading the file in the server. So if more than 50 KB size of file are not allowed to upload in the server. So how can you impose that restriction using the PHP so that user can only upload the file which is 50 KB or less than 50 KB, right? And at the last we will just make a complete PHP application where all the above mentioned restriction will be imposed. So before uploading a file into the server, it will be checked if that file already has been uploaded in the server or not. So repeated file is not going to be uploaded in the server, so that will be checked. And also it will be also checked that the specific file format to be uploaded in the server along with the criteria of size, that is 250 KB. So how to impose all these criteria before uploading a file in the server, though that we are going to learn in this particular video using the server-side scripting language, that is PHP you are learning today, right? Now let us continue without wasting any further time. So please pay attention. This is going to be a very important lecture to learn for you, because when you will be developing any web application, this is most important and mandatory requirement that you need to impose in your PHP application before you design the backend portion of PHP application to communicate with the server for processing data into the database, and also for allowing user to upload file in the server. So let us start. So you can see a very simple looking some input tag that I have taken, a simple form, and in this form I just have a input which is going to upload a file. So input type file, and the name to recognize this input type that has been considered as photo. So this is a namespace which holds a value I have given over here, that is user defined value, that is photo. So using this photo this input type will be recognized, right? And a submit button, right? Now so here I will going to write file 1, right? So now as in the action I'm going to take this form to file1.php, and the method I'm going to use, that is post. And okay, so this is encrypt type that you have to mention multiple /form data. So this you need to include while you have to apply this file uploading option. Okay, if you remove this, so this file uploading option will be disabled. It is not going to work. So this is mandatory. Just note it down, right? You need to write this thing, post method, and this thing also, and action. In the action you are going to give the file name where you are going to write the PHP for uploading the file. So here I can see this is file 1. So simply it has been written over here. So first my folder is empty. So in this particular folder I am going to upload the file. The folder name is my folder. Okay, so this folder has been kept inside my localhost server. So this folder has been kept inside the localhost server, and you can see simple a few lines have written. Now see, I have created the location variable. So this is the variable. As you want, you can make any variable name, and you can see the folder name, my folder. This is my folder. You can see the folder name is my folder that I have created. Under this folder I am going to keep the file. So you can see base name. What is base name? Base name means the name of the file. Let me show you how it is to be considered, which is the base name. So this is the form. Now I am going to select a file. So I'll select this particular file, okay, to upload. Now I'm going to select open. As I've clicked to this open, now you can see this is the base name of the file. So this is the base name of the file, but still I haven't clicked the submit button, so that is why the file hasn't been uploaded in the server. The server is empty now. Unless I'm going to click the submit button, so file is not going to get uploaded in the server, right? Now let me just understand this. So base name, and this is the function name is file, right? So now what is going to do over here? Now photo you can see over here. So this is how you can see this input is going to recognize by the namespace photo that I have provided over here, right? And now this is the name, nothing. This is name means this is the namespace that I am going to using to just recognize this photo as the input name of this input type file that I have prepared in this form. Now let us click the submit button now. So I click the submit button, the file uploaded. Now you can see over here the file has been uploaded in the server, right? Now I am going to impose restriction here. The restriction is that it is going to check if the file has been uploaded or not. If the file is already exist over there, so another file will not be uploaded of same name, right? So this thing we are going to check, right? So now just see here, just in the file 2 I have written the code. So I have taken a condition. Now you can see. So first I will be doing, you can see this is the form. I am going to change it to file 2 because that code I have written in the file2.php, right? So now the action will be taken to file2.php. So this is the file2.php. Now you can see I have already created the location using the target file variable name, my folder, and this is the base name, right? That already has been explained to you in the first part. Now I'm going to check if the file is exist or not. So file already is existing over here. Now same file will not be allowed to upload, right? Now I have taken a condition. In this condition, so you can see file check, this is the function to be used, and file check. Now what is exactly going to be checked over here? This location, right? So I have written the location over here, right? It is going to be checked that the file which I am going to upload in the server, is it exist or not. In the case this function returns true, then it is going to be printed that sorry, file already exists. So file is existing in the server, so I will be not allowed to upload that file again and again, okay? Now if file is not over there in the server, now this part of condition is going to work, that is move upload file. So this is the function to upload a file in the server, right? This is already had been explained to you in the previous class, right? Now so this is the file which is going to be select from the form, right? So this is the temporary name of the file. Temporary name is, you can say, base name, and this is the photo that here you can see photo by the photo of the namespace which has been provided over there. This is how this input is going to be recognized, right, for uploading the file. Now, right, then where the file is going to be saved, in this location which I have created. So I have already created the location under my folder by the same base name. The file is going to be kept over here. So this target location which I have already created, that I have given over here, right? Another thing I could have done, instead of creating target, I simply would have copied this thing, right, and the same I would have pasted over here. That would have been same thing, right? Okay, so this thing I can also do, but it's better to practice with the variable, right? Now let me show you. Now I'm going to upload a file, same file, right? Same file which already I have uploaded before. It is already there in the server. So I'm going to click the submit button. I can see sorry, file already exists. Now let me upload a separate file, which I'm going to upload. Let's say this particular file I'm going to upload. Now you can see file uploaded, right? You can see over here the file has been uploaded into the server. Now let us move to this upload a specific format file. Now in this case, in many registration form, you must have seen that they are only allow you to upload PDF format file or JPG format file. So how you can impose this sort of restriction? So let me show you. Now here, this particular code already I have written in the file3.php. So first thing I'm going to do, that is here I'm going to write file3.php, so that it is going to action page will be my file3.php, right? So from this form, the action will be taken to file3.php. so here I have written that code. Let me show you. So I have created the location where the file will be saved, right? Now so here I have created another variable, that is image file type, and I'm going to check the extension name, right? What is the extension name? Right, .pdf, .jpg, .gif, JPEG. So these are the extension name. So right, how to know the extension name of a given file? By this path info. You can see path info. This is the function. In this function, so first I have taken the location, this particular location, right? And because this from this location the file is going to get uploaded, right? By file will be uploaded and that will be saved in this location. Now also it is going to check the path info extension, right? So it is going to find the exact file which is required to be uploaded, and the path info extension, this is the function which will be used to check the exact extension. So that I am going to take over here as a variable in the condition before checking. So is it JPG? So I am going to allow only JPG file, not any other file I am going to allow. So only JPG file will be allowed to get uploaded in the server, right? So I have written this. Now if this result comes out to be JPG, so okay, so this is what this is going to be done. This is exactly first it will search that particular file and it will only recognize the extension, and if that particular extension that is this particular variable is going to hold, it comes out to be a JPG, then this function will work and file will be uploaded and it will be printed echo file uploaded successfully. If it does not comes out to be JPG, then it will be printed that sorry, only JPG file is to be allowed, right? And you can see here I have taken image tag. Inside the image tag I have taken src. In the src, what I have done, I am going to print, right, the location. So once I have print the location, what will happen? It will take the location. So it will just find the location of this particular location. It will find, and I can also just photo which will be uploaded in the server that I can print on the page. So okay, so let me show you. Okay, this is file 3. Now here also I have linked to file 3. Now let me show you. Okay, now I am going to upload a picture. See, this particular picture I am going to upload, right? pic1.jpg, this one pic2.jpg, pic2.jpg. so okay, JPG. So this file format is allowed. Now let me click the submit button. I can see file uploaded, file has been uploaded, right? File has been uploaded. So just see, file has been uploaded. Another thing is that, so inside the image, just you see over here, so inside the image, no, in the just inside the src I have written the location. That is why from the location it has taken the photo over here and I can see this photo. Okay, the location has been taken from in this code, line of code, right? Now another thing I'm going to show you. So as it has been given that JPG, so I'm going to upload another file. Let me show you. See, okay, now this particular file I'm going to upload. Let's see, pic1.jpg, same picture. You can see both the pictures are same, but you can see the extension name is capital JPG. So will it be allowed or not? pic.capital JPG. Now you can see, sorry, only JPG file is allowed. Both are JPG, but this is small JPG will be allowed, capital JPG is not allowed. So in case this will sometime happen that user is going to upload capital file name which is having a capital JPG, so it should have been allowed. No, so what I will do, so just here I'm going to use another function, right? That is, I'm going to convert everything in lowercase. So str to lower, right? Now just try to understand. So whatever will be the result may be smaller JPG or upper JPG. So I'm going to convert that particular file extension into lowercase, right? Into lowercase. So let me just delete all this thing to show you. Just let me show you. Now here I'm going to upload this file, smaller JPG. Okay, so this will be automatically get uploaded. Now you can see. Now let me delete this file again, right? Now I'm going to upload capital JPG now. Capital JPG that is in the capital, right? Now I have deleted that particular file which was uploaded previously. Now this is, I'm going to upload capital JPG, right? Submit. Now you can see the file has been uploaded over here. Now why this has taken place? Because you can see, so whatever file is going to upload, now you can see, so capital JPG file that has also been uploaded over here. Why? Because you can see over here, while checking the condition, so this is going to be converted. So whatever the result will be over here, that is going to get converted into lowercase. So that is why. So you can just set for the user who is going to use the application, that they can only allow the file which has only JPG written in smaller case. So it can sometimes happen that they have a file which is a JPG format, but the JPG is written in capital letter or small letter. So this is how you can do it. So both JPG in capital and small letter, that will be allowed, right? I hope this video is going to help you to understand these things. Okay, so now we have learned also the file format. Now we are going to restrict the file size to 50 KB. Though most of the application you will find in registration form, mostly in student registration form, that they are not going to allow you upload a file, a bigger file, that is maybe 50 KB, 20 KB, 5 KB. So how to impose that sort of restriction, that we are going to allow in this particular part. Let us understand. Now very simple. So that particular code I have written in file 4, the PHP. So first I will do over here, I will write here 4. Okay, 4. So let us understand. Okay, so in the 4, what I have done over here. So here we can see target file. So location I have created. Now here this is the connection of taken. Now $file, so photo, this is to be considered. Here you can see photo. This is how this input is going to be recognized, right? Now if I go and see over here size, so photo and size. So I'm going to use the size parameter. Is it more than 50,000? So what does this 50,000 consider? This is 50 KB, right? So 50,000 means 50 KB. So instead of 50,000 you could have written 20,000 or 5,000. 5,000 means 5 KB, 20,000 means 20 KB, 50,000 means 50 KB. So this is to be written in bits, right? So this is how we have to impose the restriction of uploading file within a limited size. So you can see, if the file size is more than 50,000, then it will be printed that sorry, your file is too large, so that file is not going to be uploaded. So you may write anything else as you wish. Otherwise this function is going to apply. So file will be uploaded into the server and it will be printed file has been uploaded successfully. And in the image I'm going to show the location, that is the file will also be shown, which file has been uploaded in the server, that will be shown over here. So let us see. Very simple. So just let us execute now. Okay, so let me first delete this file. So it is kept empty, nothing is over here. Now I'm going to upload a big file. So you can see the big file, 725 KB is certainly a bigger file than 50 KB. So I'm going to upload this file, 725 KB file. Right, now I'm going to click the submit button. Now you can see, sorry, your file is too large. So the condition, this condition worked, right? The file is too large. Now let me upload a smaller file. Now I'm going to upload a smaller file. So we have got some smaller file over here. Now you can see this file just 12 KB. This file I'm going to upload, and so now you can see the file has been uploaded in the server. So you can see this function work properly. So the file has been uploaded. In case this is a smaller inside, the file will be uploaded. Now let us understand this last one. So I'm going to import these three restrictions, right? All the restrictions I'm going to impose in a single PHP application, right? Mostly in most of the application will file multiple restriction, that is specific file format will be allowed, and not only that, limited size file will be allowed, and it will also be checked if that file exists or not. So everything is going to be checked. So let us just do it. So very simple way I'm going to do it. Just see. Now we have a PHP 5 file name, so this is kept completely blank. So what I'm going to do over here now, so I'm going to open this file name PHP2 and just copy everything over here. So this is going to be checked that if that file exists or not. So everything I've copied from here, and I'm going to paste it over here. Done. So I've just pasted it over here. Copy paste. Now I'm going to open this file 3.php. So this is just going to allow specific file format, right? So I'm going to copy this thing, only this thing, right? This thing I'm going to copy, right? Now I'm going to put it over here. Just see. So I'm going to put it over here. So I'll take few lines and I'm going to put it over here now, right? Now I'm just going to open here this one, that is file size restriction in file 4 that I have shown to you, to limit the file size. So I'm going to copy this thing, right, and I'm going to paste it over here. See. And now, so in a single file, now I'm going to close all this file because I don't need this file in furthermore. So to get it a little more simple, I'm going to close it everything, just to file the form. Here I'm going to write 5. So here is to here I'm going to take it action as file 5. Now from here I'm going to take action to this particular page, file to file 5.php. So in this file 5 I've written everything. Now I have to set it. Still it is not ready. Now you can see. So first this is going to work, right? It will be checked if the file exists or not. That will be checked. So if the file exists, then it will be printed, sorry, the file exists. So this condition, the else part is not going to work. Now in case the file is not exist, so this part is going to work. Now if this part going to work, then what will happen? I'm going to delete this thing. Now I'm going to put it over here. So I'm going to remove it from here, and the same I'm going to put it over here, right? Now just see. Now in the else part, if this file does not exist, then that means I am going to upload file. So now, so you can see this already has been created target file. So this target file I am going to delete it from here, right? Now this particular portion is going to perform in case the file is not uploaded, right? Now it is going to check that a specific file format, that whatever file I am going to upload, if the file is JPG or not, that is going to be checked now. Okay, now let's say it is a JPG file. If it is not a JPG file, so this part is not going to execute. In the else part it will be printed that sorry, the file is not JPG, right? In case the file is JPG, this condition satisfy, then further I am going to impose this thing. So I'm going to cut it from here, and the same I'm going to put it right over here in this portion, right? Now see, just see. Now target file, I'm going to delete this. This is already been created once. Just I'm going to delete this, right? Now if the file is JPG, then it is going to be check the file size. So if the file size is more than 50 KB or not, that is going to be checked over here. If the file is big file, then it will be printed that no, the file size is very large, so it is not be uploaded, else we are going to upload the file. So very simple, right? So let me now execute it. Now see, the first I'm going to, so let me first delete this, and the folder is empty in the server. Now I'm going to upload a file. So first I'm going to upload this particular file. So right, this is not a JPG file, so it will be checked is it a JPG file or not. Submit. Now I can, sorry, only JPG file is allowed, right? So you can see, so only JPG file is allowed, right? This else part has played a role. Now I'm going to upload a big file, JPG file. Now I'm going to upload a JPG file, but a large file, this file, 725 KB file. So large file but JPG file, right? Submit. Sorry, the file is too large. Now you can see, sorry, the file is too large, right? So it is a JPG file. It has been checked, so that is why this condition is not going to work. So because this condition satisfied is JPG file, but the file is too large, so file is not going to get upload. This portion has been executed, so it has been printed. Sorry, the file is too large. The folder is empty. Still the folder is empty. Now I'm going to upload the file, which is JPG file, and also the file size is just 12 KB, that is less than 50 KB. Now okay, now file has been uploaded successfully. Right, now again I'm going to upload the same file, pic1.jpg. Let me again upload the same file, pic upload.jpg. This file is already exists over here. Now I'm going to upload the same file. Let's see. Now sorry, the file already exists, so second time I'm going to, if I go to upload this same file second time, it is going to be restricted, right? I will not be allowed to upload the same file because this file already is there in the server, right? Sorry, file exists, this portion has been executed. Just see, sorry, the file is executed, right? Let me just explain you in brief. So this is the first condition. Already I have taken the file location, and this is the first condition. So if the file exists, it will be simply printed the file exists. I can't upload any other file, so file will not be allowed to upload any further move, right? Now otherwise what is going to happen? Okay, I've taken another variable, that is to file extension type, to just know the file is JPG or not. So if the file is JPG, then if the file is not JPG, some other file, then I will not be allowed to upload, right? This portion will be executed. In case the file is JPG, what is going to happen? Just see, then it will be checked the file size. Now if the file size is bigger than 50 KB, then it will be printed like this, sorry. Otherwise this will be printed, right? This will be printed, file uploaded, and file will be uploaded by this function move upload file option, right? Just see, let me once more scroll it down so that you can write it down in a copy, right? Very simple way I have make you understood this thing, right? So I hope this video is going to help you to understand the PHP function while you will be imposing this in your HTML form, so that you can restrict user to upload certain file format, certain limitations of file format size, and also you will allow user not to upload the same file repeatedly, right? You can restrict the user to upload same file repeatedly. So all these things you can learn in this particular video. If this video is going to help other students, please share this video with your friends so that it can help them to understand. And if you like this video, consider clicking the like button so that this particular video is going to reach more people. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe it now. And in the description you will find all the previous classes lectures. So I have already prepared many other classes regarding PHP for the beginners, for the absolute beginners. Please find those classes in the description below over there. And in the description you will find the link of a free website if you have little knowledge about HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So in that free website you can find 40 video lectures where I have explained to you in detail about the front-end designing of the web application using the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So once you learn the HTML, CSS and JavaScript, you can design amazing web application by yourself. That is the front-end portion you can design by learning those HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And also you can give online examination. The online examination platform has been set for you. You can find the free website link, and from there you can register yourself, free registration, and you can give online exam, and you can also see your result status over there. So just see the description and find the links over there. So thank you for watching, and goodbye for today.